Salam! In this tutorial I will tell a bit about the groups and species in Kingdom of Sand. And also I will mention the clans within these groups. All groups in Kingdom of Sand have their own habitat. The palace is the home of the palace staff. When you are a citizen of Kingdom of Sand, you can rent a home in the city in the desert. You will not have very much privacy there, but it has a certain charm to be part of a lively community. The pirates have their own camp at the foot of the hill that is holding the palace. Cages are standing ready to hold their captured prisoners. In a strong fort not far of the palace, the Dark Knights have their headquarters. And when we continue our flight, we will find the camp of the Bedouins. On the other side of the city, near the sea, we will find the home of the merfolk. There are many groups in Kingdom of Sand. You can all find them on the website. If you go in your hut to your help, you can click the groups. The link will get you to the website where all the species and groups are named. You will get a long list with all kinds of groups. Under humans there are Palace Harem, Palace Staff, Slave, Palace Guard, Pirate Slaver, Noble, Knight and Bedouin. Under Supernaturals, Merfolk, Dark Knights, Jinn, Magi, Priest, Monk and Undead. That seems to be a very scary group to me. Under the animals we find the groups Fish, Insect, Bird and Mammal. If we look a bit closer on these groups, we can see what food they need, if he eats humans, if it is a prey and more things like that. If you want to know more about a specific part of a group in the roleplay, the best thing you can do is ask one of the players in Kingdom of Sand if he can tell you a bit more. Every player in Kingdom of Sand has a meter over his head that will tell you to what group he belongs. To make things all a bit more complicated, within the groups there are also clans. These are like little family groups, made up by the members. You can find the clans in your hut under the help button. The button named clans will direct you to the website. In the most cases you will not join a clan before first making contact with its members or possibly meeting the head of the clan. This tutorial is the third in a series of tutorials about Kingdom of Sand. In the other videos I explain about Kingdom of Sand in general, the hut and meter and the weapons and combat system. I hope to meet you again in the next tutorial. Bye!